Hi folks, I want to welcome you to our class. Starting an online course for the first time can be intimidating. However, rest assured that the learning curve is short. I'm sure you'll do well in the course if you put forth the necessary time and effort. The trick to online courses is to stay up with the work. If you fall behind, it's difficult to catch up. All assignments must be completed during the current week in which it's assigned. Be sure to complete them on time. However, if necessary, you do have 4 days after the due date to get assignments in with only a 10% penalty. When an assignment is due, please edit your work before you submit it. Papers are to follow APA format. Be sure to submit your work to the appropriate assignment Dropbox. On all assignments, please strive to do more than the minimum in order to receive the maximum possible grade. Try to only turn in work that you're proud of. This will assure that you'll earn the highest grades possible. Again, our courses are fast-paced but are doable if you follow this advice. In 5 weeks, you'll turn around and be amazed at how much knowledge you've gained. I'm here to help you. If you have any problems, please let me know during the current week. Do not wait until the week is over. If you have any problems that are preventing you from being timely on the work, again, please let me know so that we can try to make suitable arrangements for you to complete your work. Remember that I'm here to help you and will be glad to do so. My email is hrubin@email.phoenix.edu. If you need to speak to me, my cell phone number is 954-993-2898. The usual method of contact is via email, but if you have a compelling problem, don't be afraid to call. If I don't answer, do not leave a message or text. Instead, call again in a little while. It's all right to phone bomb me, because I don't always listen to my messages on a daily basis. I'm excited about having you in my course and look forward to seeing you succeed. Best of success, Dr. Rubin.